Hey guys, so somebody asked me to do a Hi-Chew review. So wait one sec. I'm gonna get my purse to show you guys what the thing. So I'm pretty sure somebody asked me to do this. It was kind of like a long time ago. So sorry, I forgot who. Sorry, I like ripped the wrapper. So let's try to fix that. So here is the wrapper. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I have melon right now. Oop, yeah. Oops, okay. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. But so what the actual so the wrapper around the candy is just white like this. That. Yeah. And then the actual thing is like kind of clearish. It kind of looks exactly like the wrapper. And then the inside is like orange for the flavor I have. And oh my god. It's really good. It's kind of like you're chewing gum now, and it's really good. Like, and yeah, that's just what it looks like when you chew it. It looks the same as like that, but it's really good. So yeah, it's not that expensive from where I get it. I get it at World Foods. If you live in Oregon, like next to Red Robin. Oh my gosh, I just squished it. Woo. Let's squish it more. Woo. I just swallowed it whole. So, it's really good. Oh my gosh. Kind of hard to chew. Like, I'm not like. So, yeah, it's really good. I came on going like, wow. So, but you can just get this at like, I'm not sure if they sell this at like regular stores. I think you have to go to like a Japanese store. Or someplace that sells, like, world candies, like different, or foods, like, this place I go is called World Foods, and it has, like, different foods, and there's, like, a candy section, and I just saw it, so I got it. Yeah, so it's really good, so thanks for watching, bye!